What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I did step away from planning for a small period, but since I have actually done that, I have realized that I was much more organized and I got much more things done when I was functional planning. So I'm going to try to keep my stickers and stuff to a minimum. I am going to still use my stickers because I really love them, but I feel like they were becoming a distraction. I have laid the layout for each week in the month of October. I'm going to go in and write my bills here where I put these stickers, but I do have a separate digital planner. This is just here as a reminder. Let me pull out this month's so I can have a guide. I will always refer back to the prior month just to make sure I didn't miss or forget it. I always make a little key for the different colors. Work related things will be hot pink. My budget is going to be this purple, and home is going to be black. Starting out, I'm going to put all my bills. October 1st, Best Buy is due, $128. Business fee plus those together is $29. Second, Victoria's Secret is due, and Lane Bryant is due. Now, I was having problems with both of those apps earlier. Both of the apps was doing the same thing, so I'm thinking maybe it was a community thing. So I'm going to leave the amounts blank and see if I can get the actual amounts. I know that they're going to be slightly more because I did spend some money on my credit cards when I was trying to get my daughter ready for school and everything like that. So on the 4th, this is when Westlake, and this is who finances my car. So that's $520. We definitely need to try to refinance so we can get that. Oh no, I forgot a super important bill. See, this is why I like to go month to month and, always going back double checking. I forgot my car insurance, and that is due on the 15th. I do remember because I just recently paid that, and I asked when was it due. I knew I was missing something. I believe it's $442. That's ridiculous. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to talk about it, y'all. On the 7th, oh yeah, because we did the 4th, and then the next bill that will be due will be on the 7th, and that's going to be my water bill, which is WSSC. I was able to look that bill up, and that bill is $142. Right now, what I'm gonna see if I can do is pay something on it, maybe like $42, and then when it comes around, I only owe $100. Then we have the 11th, which is Baltimore Gas and Electric. The balance is $1,334. I was on a payment plan where they had spread the amount that I owe over 12 months, but I missed the payment when I was trying to get my security deposit and stuff together to move here in this house, y'all. I was struggling, okay? I'll do a life update on everything that was going on, but there was basically an emergency where I had to spend money on my credit card and money out of my sinking funds, out of my emergency fund. And I was so depressed about it, y'all, but it's life, you know what I'm saying? You can't get too depressed. You gotta bounce back. So on the 17th, October 17th, my gym membership is due. That's $26. I know that. Then on the 20th, that is when my Xfinity internet is due. I'm going to leave this blank because I have a pass-through balance this month, but I'm going to try my best to get that down so I can have a more accurate amount. I also just moved into this house, so my internet is still the same provider, but I did remove some services trying to consolidate my bill. So I'm gonna see what my bill says going forward, but I do need to include these things so that I won't forget them. On the 22nd is Kohl's, and that's going to be $53. And on the 26th is Xfinity phone. My phone is $271. Lord have mercy, just saying these numbers make me just want to pass out. But you know what? I am firm and I believe that God is going to provide. No, I wrote this in the wrong spot. Xfinity phone 271. Made a mistake, made a oops. All I'll do is just take a blank sticker and put it over top of this one and then write the correct information. That's Apple Music. Let's do that day. And that's $12. Okay, so I do believe I have all of my budgeting related things. Now, I have a training. Oh, that's November. I don't have any trainings in October as of yet. I thought I had a training. I have one next week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my... And then I would go in and just fill in any important dates. So I'm just writing a little reminder. Then I would go in, and if I knew there was something that I do every week, I would go ahead and fill it in on my calendar. Now, normally I have therapy on Tuesdays and group on Thursdays, but I'm just going to double check with my therapist before I actually write this in my planner, because one thing I hate to do is scratch out anything in my planner, but this is how I would budget for a monthly. This is how I will budget each month as we entering the month, and then week by week I will go in and then I will plan, and I will definitely post a video of a weekly budget. I will definitely post a video of my weekly plan layout, like what I have to do for the week. I appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end of the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.